What you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like, ooh.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I am showing you my favourite fake tan. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos of beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So if that's something that you're interested in and you like my style of videos, please hit that subscribe button. That will mean the world to me. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I am naturally quite pale, especially on my legs. For some reason, my legs are the area of my body that take ages to tan, and I don't know why that is. So I have kindly been sent some COCO and Eve tan. I am now part of their affiliate program, so I will leave the link to this below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So you can probably tell that I am quite tanned, and it is all down to this beautiful tanning foam by COCO and Eve. They kindly sent me their bundle and I have been using it, and I've got to say, it's pretty amazing. I will link it down below. I've also got a discount code across the COCO and Eve website. If you type Liv, I think it's in capital letters, I'll leave it on the screen. That will give you 10% off, because obviously their Holy Grail hair mask is amazing too. So if you want to grab any of the bits, I will link it down below for you. So this tan, you've probably heard a lot about it, or you haven't, and that's why you're here. So I'm going to give you my honest review on it. Although they sent it to me, I still am going to be honest. I wouldn't show it you if I didn't agree with it, and I think you can probably tell from the results, especially the results that I'm going to show you in a minute, that it is pretty damn fabulous. So in the bundle, I got the Sunny Honey tanning foam, I got the bronzing face drops, I got the Kabuki Brush, and I got the tan mitt. I will link the bundle down below for you as well. Don't forget to use my discount code, that will get you 10% off. Let me tell you about my experience. So let me tell you about the product first, because it's pretty amazing, even if I do say so myself. So it has absolutely zero nasties in it, which is great. No sulfates, no toxins, no silicons, no parabens or other harmful chemicals, okay? So it doesn't contain any nasties, which is great, because we don't want to put nasties on the skin. But the main thing I want to talk to you about, well, not the main thing, but the thing that I was most excited about is the scent. It smells unbelievable, and it claims to not have the biscuit scent, and I must say I agree, it doesn't have the biscuit scent. I called Ben upstairs to come and help me put this on my back, and he walked in and he said, "Oh, that smells really nice, that does not smell like fake tan at all." And yeah, got to agree, it smells so nice. The scent is actually Balinese mango and guava. It smells so gorgeous. It is really, really, really nice smell. It's not sticky, it's not streaky. It hasn't left me with a streaky tan, which some tans can do. You don't need to apply moisturiser before you put this tan on, but I would advise that you exfoliate 24 hours before you apply it. I don't tend to exfoliate the same day that I apply the tan, because it just doesn't seem to work out for me. So exfoliate 24 hours before you apply it. You don't need to apply any moisturiser, because it is really moisturising and it gives you a gorgeous glow on the body as soon as you put it on. Got a little clip of me applying it. You literally, even the mitt is like such nice quality. You just need to start off with 2 to 3 pumps on your mitt. I then squeeze my mitt a little bit just to distribute it more evenly, and then you're just going to want to take circular motions, but go in small areas so that it doesn't start to dry out on you. So keep it moving in small circular motions. You will see that it applies really nice. Like it just applies so even. It's quite crazy. It applies so smooth, and it makes your skin look smooth as well, which I was pretty blown away by. And this is just like, it's just gone straight on. I noticed that it dried down quite quick and it didn't feel sticky. I left my tan probably a good 10 minutes before I put my clothes on, but I always tan at night, so I just threw on loose clothes. It does develop within 2 hours, but I left it on overnight to get the deepest, darkest result, which, yeah, it's entirely up to you. If you just want to, if you know you're going out and you want to put it on and leave it 2 hours and rinse off, then that's fine, but bear in mind your colour won't be as dark as if you leave it on overnight. So I left it on overnight. I didn't feel sticky in bed. The bed didn't smell. I got hardly any on the sheets, to be honest. I did get some come off, the guide colour come off onto my loose trousers that I was wearing, but that is to be expected. That's absolutely fine. So next morning I got in the shower and I just rinsed it off my body. I didn't use soap. Yeah, you do see the guide colour come off, but that's supposed to happen. And what is underneath is just a gorgeous streak-free, beautiful coloured tan. I only applied one layer. You could apply two if you wanted to go even darker. I've got the shade dark, by the way. They do an ultra dark and they do a medium, but I went with dark. Then as soon as I got out of the shower, I just moisturised all over, and that is key, to just keep moisturising every day. Then your tan is going to last that a little bit longer and it's not going to go all patchy as it's fading away. So you'll see some before and afters, and I think you will agree that it is a pretty beautiful tan. It really is. I'm really blown away by it. It retails for £25.90, so it's definitely up there with your average tan prices. You get 200 millilitres, and then along with that I got the face tanning drops. Now I don't normally use face tanning drops, if I'm honest, because I have quite sensitive skin that can break out. I have used these. They are a drop. They contain 100% natural DHA, so that's the tanning agent in it, is 100% natural. It's got no alcohol in, so it's not going to dry your skin out. It's actually got 5 types of hyaluronic acid, so it's going to hydrate all day. I must admit, I've used these once, I haven't broken out. I mixed 3 pumps in with my moisturiser and applied it to my face at night time, let it sink in, and then by the morning I had a nice little subtle glow. These are in the shade medium glow, so they're not too in your face. And the great thing about the drops is you can do it yourself, in terms of you can choose how dark or how light you want to go based on the amount of drops that you apply into your moisturiser. It's got the same gorgeous scent. It's not got a biscuit smell. You're not gonna, because I thought, oh, am I gonna get that biscuit smell all night? No, it didn't transfer onto my pillow either, and this develops over 12 hours. So yeah, it's just a nice little one to put on. It can be added into your skincare routine perfectly well, so you don't need to use like a specific moisturiser with this, or you don't have to. The beauty of this is it just literally slots into your routine that you've already got. You haven't got to switch up or use different things, so that is really good. I really enjoyed that. And also in the bundle you get a Kabuki brush. Now this is perfect for your hands, to buff the tan into your hands, your feet, your elbows, and I also use this to scoop the moisturiser to apply it to my face as well with the tanning drops in. So yeah, really good way. Get a Kabuki brush and put a little bit of tan onto the brush and just buff into your feet, around your ankles, not too much, and especially on your hands. And what I tend to do is I'll clench my fist and just lightly go over my knuckles as they're bent. Otherwise, if you do it like that, you're just going to get completely orange knuckles. What I also like to do, tip for you, after I've applied the tan, I get a dry face cloth or a dry bit of tissue. I will bend my knuckles like that, get the dry cloth and just gently buff over my knuckles so that too much product doesn't sit in there and make your hands go really, really orange. Especially on my feet, I do the same around the edge of my foot. So get a dry cloth and just buff that product. But no, I am really happy with the tan. I could apply a second layer if I want to. I may decide to do that at the weekend, but overall I think it is absolutely beautiful. I think it's definitely worth a try. If you are into tan, you will not be disappointed with this product, I promise you. You've probably heard a lot about it and that's why you're here to find out more. And yeah, one thing that I do want to mention as well, obviously I do a lot of clothing hauls on my channel and do a lot of trying on clothes, and this did not transfer onto any of my clothes after I'd rinsed it off. So that is a real big important thing for me, specifically because I don't want tan transferring onto the items that I'm trying on. If they don't fit, I want to be able to send them back, and this didn't transfer. I absolutely love it. I love it. You can either buy any of these things individually, or you can buy them as a bundle. Don't forget to use my discount code LIVE. It also works on the hair mask as well, which is absolutely phenomenal, like the most crazy hair mask ever. But I'm here about the tan. I will show you some before and after. I will leave the before and afters on at the end of the video as well. And moving forward, during all my clothing hauls, this will be the tan that I will have on. So I will always link it in my videos for you to refer back to. And come follow me over on Instagram, where you will see it shown off in more detail, wearing nice pretty dresses and shorts ready for summer. So that is my review, my quick honest review on the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey tanning range. I absolutely love it. If you want to see a more in-depth video on me applying the tan and using my tips and tricks and things that I've learnt over the years to achieve that flawless tan, then comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, and of course I will make that video for you, no problem. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!